You're not failing, you're exploring. Welcome to the Circle of Control series. That friend who has it all figured out, maybe they're questioning things too. They've had a hard path as well, but they're not posting about it. You only see success on social media. Everyone's working in their own timeline. You have a timeline. When you peak is completely different from others' timeline. You can't control what others are doing. You can't control how long it's going to take for you to pick the perfect path. You can control trying micro experiments. You can control what energizes you. And most importantly, you can control how you respond to failure. Start with just one thing this week. What energizes you? What is it that you love doing without looking at the bottom line?